Hey everyone, it's Kim Complete back with another video and a special announcement, actually two special announcements. As you may have noticed, some things have changed in the background. I invested in a big ass plant.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's so
Big ass plant. Don't ask me why, it just seemed like a YouTuber thing to do. So if you're a fan of the big ass plant, go ahead and leave a like on this video. Speaking of investing, I would like to invest in you all, my loyal viewers and subscribers. If you don't already know, my channel is focused around my journey of being a self-taught developer and just providing back to the community as much as I can. So I will be hosting a giveaway. If you haven't already guessed, I personally love Codecademy for learning programming languages and new libraries and techniques and whatnot. They have not sponsored me to talk about them at all. I'm not paid by them to do any of this, any of my videos so far. Maybe in the future, but as of right now, still no. I just personally used them. I used my own money. I love them. I recommend it to all my friends, and other people have had great success as well. So what I will be giving away is a 1-year membership to Codecademy Pro. In my original video of how I became a developer in 3 months, I mentioned that I took a course called a Pro Intensive on their site. That's no longer available anymore. I took that back in 2017, so a lot has changed in these 3 years. However, the course materials and most of the projects that I took during that intensive are available on their site with a pro membership. It's listed under the category of skill path, and I believe it's called build websites from scratch, or it's a web development skill path. I'll insert it here somewhere. So the only difference about this is that it's not timed. The intensive that I took was a 10 to 12 week course, but here you just keep working until you finish the material. So I would like to invest in you, my precious viewers and subscribers, or someone that you know and love who is interested in getting into web development or programming in general. In all of my videos, I have listed in the description bar a section of my favorite free resources for learning web development. But I do understand that a lot of you feel that you have exhausted all the free resources that you can find, and so you're looking for something a little bit more. I also understand that not everybody is in the position to put forth the money or time required to take some of these boot camps and whatnot. And I'm hoping to turn the comment section of this video into another one of those free resources. So I'm asking everybody who's watching this video if you could leave a comment down below of what your favorite resources are for learning web development. And also if you have any pro tips for getting a job in the field when you don't have any experience. That's probably the most common thing that I get asked about, is how do I get that first job? It's very, very frustrating to be in that place, and it's very easy to get stuck there. And sometimes you just need someone to help scoop you out a little bit. So if you could just leave a comment down below answering that question, that would mean so much to me, because this channel really is about giving back to everybody else. In order to be eligible for this giveaway, you will need to first be subscribed to me, of course. But also I'm looking for you to have answered the prompt that I mentioned earlier in the video. So that's providing your favorite resource for learning web development, and also any pro tip for getting your first job without experience. So the whole point of this is giving back and, just everybody helping come together and lift each other up. So if you could just give as much detail as you possibly can and help your fellow man, those are my only 2 requirements. I will be investing my own personal money into a 1-year membership for one Codecademy account. So that's only going to go to one person. This person will be chosen at random that meet the qualifications of being subscribed and leaving a comment that answers the prompt. I will be choosing this random comment on Black Friday of 2020. So that's Friday, November 27th, 2020. The winner will be contacted via private message from me here on YouTube, and they will have 72 hours to respond and confirm all the details with me. If I don't hear anything back within 72 hours, I can't just keep everybody else waiting. The opportunity will be offered to the next random user. So I look forward to seeing all of the comments down below and seeing everybody really interact in this community. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I will put my tag here or whatever it's called. I do some random live events on there just for a variety of things, or I'll put some helpful things in my story and whatnot in case I don't have time to make a video. That's just a lot faster for me. So if you're on Instagram and you're interested, you can go ahead and follow there. Other than that, I do have something else in the works, always got something going, and I'm hoping I can officially announce it at the beginning of January. But it's going to be centered around some beginner-friendly tutorials. That's something that I've been asked about a lot, and at first it kind of scared me to do tutorials, but now it's something that kind of interests me. So I'm putting together a small beginner series, and yeah, so just make sure that you're subscribed and stay tuned for when I officially announce that. Other than that, I hope you all are staying safe and as happy as you possibly can during this weird time, and we're gonna be rising real soon together. Thanks for watching.